I don't know where this is, but I just stumbled across these elevators here.
Wieder was durchschieben von mir.
Ja, nee, das.
Oh. 6 works. All right, let's go back to the service level.
6th floor, going down.
I'm not gonna get the other elevator car since it's pretty much the exact same, and I don't want to spend too much time on elevators that aren't anything too exciting. Sorry about that. I think this is that Port Authority building. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.